Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to Mem Dian as a lecturer and good morning to all friends. We from Group 8 will present our paper entitled Peatland Fire Prevention Measure with Canal Blocking in Meranti Island District. As for what is discussed in our essay is about peatland fire and how to overcome them. Alright, without prolonging the time, let's start the presentation.
We will present an essay about the damage done to peatlands in the Meranti Island Regency, Riau, Indonesia. Because there are so many benefits derived from peatlands, therefore we must care about its sustainability. So we'll add to the problems that occur in peatlands. Peatlands in Indonesia provide many benefits. Peatlands for Indonesia have very important value because they provide forest product in the form of wood and non-timber, store and supply water, store carbon, and are habitats for biodiversity with various types of rare flora and fauna that can only be found in this ecosystem. In line with population growth and limited availability of land for the development of various sectors, such as agricultural land and plantation to address food security, industrial forest plantation for the paper industry as well as for residential arts and infrastructure. Cause the choice to star and peatlands. Peatland is one of the types of marginal land that is chosen especially by large plantation because it's relatively well sparsely population so that the possibility of land use conflicts is relative small, although peatlands have very strategic function because Indonesia is the main producer and consumer of the world's timber, paper and palm oil commodities. It is unavoidable to change the function or reclamation as company by drainage of natural peatlands in Indonesia. The conversion of peatland has occurred since the last few decades and is still ongoing until now.
The Vespasian forests are increasing land being cut down and replaced by vegetation companies with timber and expression oil plant. To produce oil plant, the water level in the swamp must the loud trough drainage. Due to this drainage, organic vegetation will dry out, become incest to fear and fear. To enable patient, drainage canals are done. To drain the water, after the water is removed, the drained organic matter will broken down and dissolve and carbon dioxide into the air. This climate change, especially to when logging activity are carried out on large scale. The canal entities were used as public transportation route and long. The railroads in are escaping for the pit. Dome and lost air pit flares are the result on impossible use of wet soil. The canal built by the company coast. The peatland become the make and dry and become as the limited available of water and the time of feeding French Strigian community. Invitation as though carried out by the people of Sugetuhor village. Construction of canal can be an alternative option. The active influence on peatlands. The The canal on peatland are closed during the dry season so that the spill remain mist and in the event of well and air source is available. The construction of canal block on the Ho River were highly appreciated even during the visit of President Joko Widodo.
The Tor River is a village located on an island called Tebing Tinggi Timur, Meranti Island Regency, Riau, where every year the forest smolders and quickly covers villages and towns to neighboring countries. The village is balanced, wide, dense pit swamp forest with a high level of biodiversity. Peatland fires are more dangerous than dry land. Mineral soil fires. Fires under peatlands have the characteristic that apart from being able to produce company and surface fires, they can also cause pet fires. The product thick smoke. The causes a lot of harm to various parties. In addition to surface vegetation fires, the peat layer also burns and lasts a long time, resulting in thick smoke due to incomplete combustion. The impact on the environment can vary from local, that is quite loading scenery, to enabling global climate. The bad impacts that occur due to land fires cover various sectors of life, ranging from disturbances to people's daily life, transportation barriers, ecological damage, distress tolerance levels, political impact to description to health.
Through Presidential Decree Number 1, 2016, the central government established the Peat Restoration Agency. This presidential regulation manages peatland management by restoring peatlands, one of which is by building canal blocking. Blocking of canals has become a national agenda in restoring peat with the main goal of land fires due to damage to the peat ecosystem. Preventing peatland fires by protecting peatlands is considered a more appropriate measure than the countermeasure that require manpower. Based on the result of the presentation of the result and the discussion on blocking the development canal as an effort to restore peat in Meranti Regency, it can be said that blocking the development canal as an effort to restore peat in Meranti Regency is carried out from planning to monitoring. It can also be divided into things that encourage peat restoration, namely government regulation, which seek to make wetland without the establishment of the Peatland Restoration Agency or BRG. Community participation in the form of community participation and concern in the construction of canal blocking, as well as public awareness as subjects who feel the benefits of blocking this canal. Next is the local wisdom of the community toward it. Namely, the community must preserve the peatland, which is the source of their life, from generation to use it. Alright, that's the presentation that we can deliver. We really hope that anyone who sees this presentation will understand what we are saying. Sorry for the mistakes that have been made. Hopefully in the future we can do better. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.